Today's session is titled, How to Improve Your Innovation and New Product Development Success with Road Mapping. During today's webinar, you'll learn how you can use road mapping processes and technology to produce winning innovation and new product development initiatives in an increasingly complex and competitive world. Our presenter today is Tom Sherbert, Innovation Consultant for Sopheon. Tom has many years of experience developing and implementing business planning processes, including road mapping methodologies and applying software solutions for innovation and new product development performance improvements. He has played a key role in establishing best-in-class planning solutions for major corporations in a range of industries. Tom, great to have you with us. I'll turn the session over to you.
Thank you, Mike. So we want to start off our conversation today talking about the planning challenges that many organizations face, where there are many ambitious goals being set by those organizations. And to be honest with you, the current products and initiatives are just not going to be able to sustain that growth. So clearly there's a need to understand the future market opportunities that can fill that gap in the space. Now traditionally, most companies have tried to tackle this from a once-a-year perspective, where they may dust off the old PowerPoints from last year and try to refresh them. But because of the nature of the increasingly complex products and services of these organizations, oftentimes that's a very error-prone process. It rarely is vetted effectively, and there's really a need to collaborate, debate, prioritize, and decide upon that best path forward. That is not a one-time decision. It really needs to be an ongoing process in order to sustain that capability. At Sopheon, we really pride ourselves on being holistic in that approach. Today we're going to be talking about those long-term growth aspects in this top right quadrant, innovation planning. But we also pride ourselves in being able to connect those plans into the other aspects of an organization, where those plans can be deeply connected into the what-if prioritizations that happen, where you're making decisions of go, no-go on these initiatives, and the underlying processes that help you to achieve those growth plans. So I actually want to drill in now and talk about the nature of planning across those horizons and understanding the dimensionality of this planning process. Typically, from a product perspective, that aligns across these multiple dimensions, where you're looking at the market and understanding what it is today that you're addressing in the market, but then trying to stretch your thinking into that beyond horizon, whatever that means for your company, and trying to understand where are those breakthrough opportunities that are going to help us to align to those major growth initiatives. Right? From there, we need to understand what are those various products and services, those strategies that are going to help us align to those goals. And then oftentimes the complexity really starts with, on the bottom layer, what do we need to do today from a research standpoint that positions us for success into that future? It's really a bridging function. So you can see on this slide clearly there are many different decisions to be made, many different dimensions that have to be addressed over time, right? And the last aspect of this is many different people represent the voice of these levels of this hierarchy, right? So there's a need to collaborate and connect all these pieces together. How we do that is actually by giving you a platform by which you can configure and ask for a more structured approach around each of these layers. That can mean many different things depending on the type of industry you're in and the use case you're trying to address. Just one quick example. For IT or enterprise architecture, oftentimes that's really understanding what are the business needs, what are the solutions and services and applications in the middle, and then underlying infrastructure that are going to get you there. So there's many different ways to slice and dice this and organize this, but ultimately you're trying to represent the voices of the different stakeholders and functions of your business, maintain your piece, and then start to get to those aligned priorities that are aligned to your business goals, reflecting back to those various pieces.